Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So, for whatever reason, the first part of this video did not record, so I'm re-recording it now. You didn't know that, but I thought I'd tell you anyway. So, what I'm doing here today is I'm getting rid of my savings account here at Simple. The interest rate has dropped below 1%. It's now 0.09 something percent. And it's been dropping and dropping and dropping. So I'm just emptying this account. So that's what this video is about. This is my new savings account. And I was going to say there's a picture attached to my other account of a Lotus Lease. And it's a pretty good car for starter car for to get into the supercar realm. So if you do things right and you buy it a good deal, you can, and you take good care of the car, keep it in the garage, keep the maintenance up, don't put a ton of miles on it, you can basically sell that car for about the same you bought it for, because they maintain their value. And I'm looking at about a 2005 yellow Lotus Elise. So you guys can go take a picture of that, or look it up. It's pretty cool. So anyway, this is my new savings account basically for that, with a lot more potential for growth in the future. You can buy one around 15 to 30K. Pretty good condition. So anyway, I'm going to take you guys through the rest of this video and show you how I'm going to do it. Alright guys, we're in Celsius. Alright, so Celsius offers a good percentage rate, 5.05% APY. Now, I have investigated a few different ways to get Ethereum into Celsius, transferring it, buying it, and this seems the most efficient. So I'm going to go say buy coins. Alright, say okay, buy coins. I'm going to do a bank transfer. Alright, you guys saw I had about $300 in my other account. So, I'm not a robot, that's correct. I'm a real boy. You guys are funny. Alright, I think I verified that. Alright, send my code. Alright. Alright. Code is verified. So now, I'm going to buy, and I'm going to buy Ethereum in the amount of 0.1, 0.12, 0.12. I'm going with 0.12. Payment method is that bank account I just showed you guys. So I'm going to say preview the buy. Okay, I'm going to go back and I'm going to go with slightly less, 0.11. Preview the buy. So I didn't work out all the numbers, but you can see there's a service fee, which isn't bad, right? And then there's the network fee. Now, it says required to be paid directly to the blockchain network. Okay, so it's basically a gas fee. All right, who are we joking here? So, gas fees on the Ethereum network are insane. Okay, I'm not sure what the deal is, but they really need to get this level 2 going, because this is insane. Okay, guys? Alright, so I'm going to say confirm to pay. Alright, fine. I want my 0.1 Ethereum. I'm aware of all the risks and blah blah blah. Like I said before, this is a bigger gamble than just keeping your money in a savings account, but I'm not going to use this money tomorrow. And Ethereum is probably going to go up with time, with all the network stuff they're doing. See my other video on crypto. So, say done. Say done. Okay. Okay, so anyway, the process is transacting. So last time I did this, it took basically 5 business days. It took a long time to get here. So, I'm not super thrilled about that. But, it's okay. You can see here, it was April 1st. last time I deposited money. And it's only gone up since then, pretty much. It's fluctuated quite a bit. But Ethereum is a good bet, in my opinion. I think it's going to do well over time. So, and I'm going to just be earning interest in Ethereum. So you can't beat that. So, maybe I'll get my Lotus that much sooner. Alright guys, what do you guys think? You think this is a good idea? Think this is a bad idea? Think I'm going to go broke? Think I want to make a lot of money and get my car sooner? Alright guys, like I said before, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm so we can get the word out there on Ethereum and Celsius. And then subscribe to my videos for updates. I'm going to give you guys weekly updates on the interest I earn, as well as the Ethereum price, and do a little crypto update. Alright guys, thanks for watching.